Hey, hi folks. Here we are at Wisevilla Winery. We're trying to get some special little spots that are 50 feet from anyone, and a quiet spot that you can just use your phone and give us a call and order, and someone will run it out to you. And when you're done, just give us a call, we'll pick it up. I got a couple really cool spots that we just finished this last few weeks. So let's take a quick look at them, okay? So you're all probably pretty familiar with what we call Tom's spot. A couple tables and chairs right there. Yes, you can reserve that spot for about an hour and a half. Just give us a call. That is your spot. Nobody else can get near you, okay? So now let's go take a look at Ernie's Hideaway right down here. Follow me. Now this is a cool spot. Little chair here, and what a view. And guess what? Nobody else can get near you. We're about 50, 100 feet from anyone. And yes, you can reserve this spot and order dinner. Just give us a call. We'll give it a few minutes and we'll have some dinner down here, or some lunch down here. And that's pretty cool. When you're done, just give us a call. We'll pick it up. We got one more spot for you. Oh, two more spots. I'm still going. Okay, so yes, we have a picnic table. It's supposed to be like beautiful this weekend. Now, if you want to have a picnic, you got to have one of our cans down here, or a bottle will do. All right, so I found Ernie here wandering around. You remember Ernie's Hideaway? This is Ernie. This happens to be Allison's Landing. So if you want to reserve Allison's Landing, then you can just call up and say, I'd like to reserve Allison's Landing for about an hour and a half. And we'll be glad to do that. And a nice view again. And yes, nobody can be close to you at all. Just give us a phone call, make your order, and when you're done, give us a call and come pick up. What do you think, Ernie?
I love it.
Yeah, I love it. So, cheers, and remember, be smart, drink wise.